Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to flip the object vertically in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. Now you want to flip the object vertically. You can flip anything like text box, image, shapes, charts, etc. Now I am firstly rotate this text box. Select the text box and go to the style. We can see here text or arrange menu. Now I am go to the arrange. Then we can see here now I am here show the option name is flip the object vertically. Now I am flip this. We can see we flip the text box easily. Otherwise you can flip this image, apply the same process. Otherwise you can apply this process on shape. Now I am go to the shape menu and select the shape. Now I am select this bamboo shape, then rotate this. We can see we rotate the shape easily. Now you can see we flip the object vertically in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.